What would happen if the Indian rupee were to replace the US dollar as the primary currency for international trade? There are a number of potential implications that could be considered, but it is difficult to say exactly what the effects would be. If the rupee were to replace the US dollar as the primary currency for international trade, it would likely lead to an increase in demand for that currency from other countries. This could lead to appreciation in value against other currencies. The rupee's value would also rise as more countries would need to hold it as a reserve currency. If this were to happen, it would likely lead to increased economic and political influence for India on the global stage. There may be certain benefits for India in replacing the dollar as the primary medium of exchange, but there may also be some drawbacks. The country may need to play a bigger role in international financial organizations, for instance, and may need to implement measures to ensure that the rupee is stable and widely accepted. Global trade patterns might change if the rupee were to take over as the main medium of exchange for foreign transactions. As an illustration, nations who currently conduct a lot of business with the US may decide to concentrate more on India and other nations that use the rupee. Nations that use the rupee may become more financially dependent as it becomes more widely used in international trade. This might lead to increased cooperation and perhaps greater power in the global economy. A shift to the rupee as the primary currency for international trade could lead to changes in exchange rates between the rupee and other currencies. This could have a range of economic implications for countries around the world. The US's position in the world economy might change if the dollar were to cease serving as the main medium of exchange for international trade. As other nations gain importance in global trade, the US's economic and political dominance can eventually decline. Thanks for watching. God Kuber bless you with fame and wealth.